Hello, good morning, everybody, and a happy Lunar New Year. So, welcome to the currency call where Jin shares his analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So, the usual schedule of the week is Monday Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday Euro, Wednesday Pound, Thursday Yen and Gold, Friday Canadian Dollar. So today is Monday. We'll be doing the Aussie and Kiwi. So before we start today's session, to help me with this poll. Is this your first time here? So, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risk. So a disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we do have quite a few first-timers here. So to help me with the next poll, where did you know about this webinar? How did you get here? So while you guys are filling up the poll, a quick introduction about Jin. So Jin is the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMS Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he manages an account with more than US $12 million. He trades that on a daily basis for his managed account clients. He's also an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course here in Singapore, sharing his views about the FX market. So just want to take a quick look at the poll again. I see many of you coming in from the Telegram channel and the Traders Club. So I just want to take this opportunity to share with you guys what the Traders Club is all about. So this is our private group on Facebook where we teach, guide, signal, and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So this is the place to be regardless of whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. So if you have joined us from the Telegram channel, you might find this signal familiar. You have been enjoying our trade signals absolutely free. So a question you might have here is that you know when to get in the trade, but you do not know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals, even attached with charts, and also guide you on where to exit. Where to exit. So in the long, why do we do this? In the long run, you not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. So if you are new to trading and you require some coaching, we have live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesdays. To run through trade ideas, recent economic developments, and we also do live trading where real trades are entered on the spot. So this is the best time you can pick Jin's brain on any trading related questions you might have. Lastly, we have a wide range of features, wide range of analysis here for club members, weekly currency correlation tables, daily currency watch lists, breaking news analysis, and a lot of tutorial videos here. All this information here provided to you to shortcut your way to trading success. So to join the group, simple, just head over to tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. It's a paid subscription of $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day. So just head over here. If you are facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any unnecessary risks on your trades, you need to join the club immediately to get some guidance towards your trading. So before I end off, just want to say that, trading can be lonely, but with a community of senior traders and coaches and Jin here to guide us, your trading journey can definitely be more profitable. So hop on the link, click on this one here and join us right now. So with that, I'll pass the time now to Jin for the currency call.
Good morning. Happy Chinese New Year, day 4. Right, so markets have been moving over the past few hours. We've had a short break. Market doesn't take a break. That's the best part about the FX market and also the crypto market. If you've been watching it over the weekend, Bitcoin went to new highs almost at 50,000. But I won't steal that from Daniel. He will tell you more about that on Friday. Don't worry, Daniel, it's not today, on Friday. Okay, so with that said, I wanted to just do a quick sharing about, this, what I spoke about last week. So last week, same time, we spoke about the Aussie dollar last week. And if you note this, last week I was saying that it was going to come down to about that point, and you can look to buy at about 7.7. What was it? You can look to buy at about 7.76, 7.677. With that 40 to 50 pip move upwards. If you look at the charts right now, it has done that exactly. So at 7.677, we've had that 40, 50 pip move upwards towards that 7.730 resistance level. Right now, it has broken way above that resistance level at 7.774 or 7.775. At this point right now, I do think that it's going to continue moving up because of several reasons, okay? Not just how the technical looks, not just how the charts look, but there are several reasons why I think it's going to continue moving upwards. So obviously, one of those several reasons is the news, is the fundamental drivers. Okay, today, Monday, not a lot of Aussie or Kiwi news coming out. Well, not at all. We have some yen news that just came out early this morning, and then some scattering of news. Not going to move markets too much. What you're going to pay attention to is tomorrow at 8:30, the RBA meeting minutes. RBA meeting minutes is being released at 8:30 tomorrow. Probably not going to surprise markets too much because they haven't done too much. So meeting minutes is probably going to support the idea that the Aussie economy is recovering, which might actually give a bit more legs to the Aussie dollar moving higher. So that's Tuesday morning. So you can actually prepare for that even tonight. So Traders Club members, remember, we are back into the full swing of things. So tonight we do have our session at 8 p.m. where we'll be guiding you through this whole, how to trade this whole week. And some questions, if you have any trading questions, make sure you come on tonight. We'll go through that. On Wednesday, we have, I'm not too keen about that. We have a lot of pound and euro news coming out on Wednesday. So talk about pound on Wednesday, euro on Tuesday. I'll tell you more about that. But on Thursday, look at it. Employment numbers coming from Aussie. Employment numbers was 50K, expected 40. So I think we might actually see a relatively good number coming from employment numbers from the Aussie side. Unemployment rate expected to go from 6.6 to 6.5. So an improvement in the unemployment rates. That again might give legs to the Aussie dollar upward move. And then after that, we've got all the US data coming out, followed by Friday, where we have retail sales number looking to have stabilized, although on a negative side, but looking to have stabilized on a month to month. But I think at a minus 4.2, expected at minus 4.2, this gives the opportunity for a improvement. This gives the opportunity for a surprise to the market. If we see any upside on the retail sales number, we could see massive climbing in the Aussie dollar. Okay, and then a lot of other news, which I'll tell you more about as we go through the week. So with all that, we've got a lot of Aussie news coming around. We've got the meeting minutes, we have the retail sales number, we have employment numbers, all coming out this week for Aussie dollar. What this means is, looking at the Aussie dollar on the H4 time frame here, I think this is an immediate trade idea, okay? A lot of times I tell you trades that could happen after a period of time. This looks like something you could get into, especially for all of you who are sitting at home after Chinese New Year, full from your feast and drinks. If you want to jump into a trade, I'm looking at this trade right here, above 7780. Above 7780, a very tight stop, 15, 20 pip stop loss for that upward move. So 7780, 20 pip stop loss for a very good 50 pip take profit again. Okay, I'll be looking at that move upwards, and it's already on its way. It is already on its way right now for that continuation to continue towards that 7845 resistance level. 7845 resistance level for this to continue up. Is there a chance that it might retrace back down? Quite possibly. If it climbs too quickly, being outside of Bollinger Band, it might actually come back down a little bit. But I think that in the overall scheme of how markets might move, with the meeting minutes, with the employment numbers, with the retail sales number, possibly giving an upset, we might see the Aussie dollar climb from its current 7778 or above 7780 towards the 7845 level. Okay, so look for that 50 pip move upwards, 20 pip stop loss, more than 1:2 risk reward ratio. So that's the Aussie, quite straightforward. The New Zealand US dollar, on the other hand, I spoke about this last week again. As we said, I said if it broke below 7225, we could see it come towards 7173, that green line there. And if you look at that, it went exactly to that point, hit and bounced straight back up. So this is the importance of why you need to have that support level, that support zone clear and confident. It's hit that level and it's bounced up right now. At this point, again, another immediate trade idea. Okay, another immediate trade idea. The New Zealand dollar on the H4 time frame. At this point, you could be looking at a 15, 20 pip stop loss for that 50 pip take profit again. Again, at 7236, you're looking at a 20 pip stop loss for a 50 pip take profit towards 7293. Obviously, these are current trade ideas based on the market movement. I would best suggest you manage your own risk, manage your own trade size, manage your own leverage if you're following any of this, and make sure you do your own analysis as well. Okay, these sessions is really here to show you what I'm looking at in terms of what could possibly happen in the markets, the trades that I'm looking to take on the trading accounts, but do your own analysis and make sure if you like it, take action on those trade ideas as well. With that said, very quick, short and sharp, I'll pass it back to Jinwei.
Okay, thank you, Jin. So I'm going to launch a poll right now to let us know what you think of this webinar. And to take a look at the chat, subscribe to our YouTube channel for our daily recordings, free Forex Signals, our Telegram group, and Traders Club link, our 4-day FX free Kickstarter course here, join the group, and of course our Forex briefcase link if you want to let Jin and team trade for you. So with that said, that's the end of the session. We'll see the Traders Club members tonight for the Zoom session, and the rest of you, see you guys tomorrow for the Euro analysis currency call. Thank you and goodbye.